that we love to do while we're shooting is create a really relaxing environment for those that we shoot. We primarily shoot either ourselves or we shoot couples out in nature. We're kind of out in wild, and we love to bring our little portable speaker with us and just kind of play some familiar tunes. We feel like it helps loosen people up, get them relaxed in front of the camera, and it really creates for like natural, authentic reactions, and those are the best photos.
So when we're out kind of in the middle of nowhere, in the woods, in the forest, it's dead silent. And silence is very awkward. It can be very awkward when there's no other sounds around, especially if you haven't met these people before, or even if you have, it's not the most fun. So the music really brings in an element of fun, puts people at ease, and really breaks down those plastic smiles that people often give because they're more relaxed and much more natural, and that's what we're going for.